What it do? What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. You already know, if this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here. And you do that by clicking on the subscribe button. It's somewhere on your screen. Just click it and you'll be notified when I post new tasty vegan plant-based recipes. Okay, so today in the Veganlicious kitchen I am going to be making a soup, a tasty soup. So it's simple. We're going to do this real fast. I'm going to show you the ingredients and then we will get started. Okay, let's grab the ingredients, shall we? Yes, we shall. The ingredients are coconut milk. You see that? And this coconut milk, its ingredients is pretty much, there's a lot going on, but you can find coconut milk that doesn't have all those preservatives in it. But this is the only can I have, so I'm going to use it. Tomato paste. Okay, tomato paste makes things stick together. That gives you the thickness. We're going to use black beans. I'm going to drain these black beans. I'm going to put them in a strainer and rinse them off. Okay, I don't want all the stuff it's sitting in, so that will help remove some of the bad stuff. Okay, yeah, the black beans I'm using are in the can, but I think it's best you use the dry beans because they're not sitting in a sauce. But these take time to soften up, so you have to soak them overnight. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use the can, and I'm just going to rinse them off and use them. Okay, then we're going to use vegetable stock. Okay, you're going to need some barbecue sauce for this one. You're going to need some vegan butter. We got some portobello mushrooms that I'm going to cut up and put in here. You're going to need garlic, fresh garlic, chop that up. And I'm going to use some onions and bell peppers. So I'm going to use a yellow onion. Half of it's been used, but I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use this onion and add water to it as well. And being, I just said water, I just, well, I'm on a water fast, a 36-hour water fast, and my 36 hours is almost up. So after you finish your fast, you should always go light, don't go heavy. So the first thing I'm going to eat at noon is fruits, okay? And then I'll eat my soup. My soup will be cooking and, you know, gives some time for everything to digest, the fruit to digest. Then I'll have my soup sometime today around 1 or 2 o'clock. So if you've never done a water fast, do it. It's great for the body. It has many benefits that I'm not going to run off right now, but definitely do a water fast. Okay? So let me chop this up and then we're going to throw everything into a pot. Okay? Okay, so I forgot to tell y'all chickpeas. Okay, so there's the chickpeas. But my chickpeas are dry chickpeas, so my chickpeas were soaking overnight. And then chickpeas are really hard, so they were still a little hard, so I boiled them in some hot water. Then I rinsed them off, and here they are now cooking with the onions, the yellow peppers, and the garlic. So now I'm going to chop up the rest of my stuff and throw everything in. Okay, so don't forget the chickpeas. Okay, cover that back up. Okay, let me see. It is done. It's simmer. It got a simmer. Then I'm gonna eat. The water fast is over, and this is what I'm eating. So let me put it in a bowl, and of course I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. Be back. Simmer. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Let's taste how the soup came out. Wait, I gotta turn the music down. Luther is the shit, but hold on. Okay, I'm back. Luther, don't you do it? They give you that. Yeah. Okay, so here's my soup. Can you see it? I added the spinach in after it cooked because spinach wilts down to basically nothing. So let's go ahead and taste. It's still hot.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
That's good. Definitely try it. So, thanks for watching my cooking show, Veganlicious, and I hope you come back to see me. But if you can't remember to come back on your own, just click on the subscribe button and it will notify you when I post new, tasty, vegan, plant-based recipes, okay? Okay, let me tell you one more thing. If you're interested in buying my cookbook or ordering from my webpage, all the information is down below in the description box, okay? And also, if you choose not to do any of those two options, there's a third option. Cash at me so I can buy a matcha. Simple. Thank you again. May all blessings given come back tenfold. And I'm out. Enjoy your day. But don't just enjoy your day. You already know. Enjoy life.